Loneliness, what a mess. As I climb my ivory tower, watch the autumn roll like a cloud over the countryside. But our song's just as strong, even now when I can't hear you, thinking of the pain of departure and the way love died. 'Cause the flower of our nearness only blossomed till the fall, like the tired swallow leaves its nest. We answer to a different call, far from here, still so near. No use trying to forget you, though I don't know when some